And in the Western societies,
Ir vakarų visuomenėje
we see that individual lost his security
mes matome, kad asmenybė praranda saugumą.
and living under heavy material pressure
Gyvena dideliame materialinėme spaudime
and aggressive capitalist market demands
pagal agresyvios kapitalizmo rinkos reikalavimus,
and controlled cheap media.
kontroliuojami pigios žiniasklaidos,
And he living under blackmailing consumption systems,
šantažuojami vartotojiškos sistemos,
which the individual conscious and free will is controlled or manipulated.
ir taip yra lengviau manipuliuoti ir kontroliuoti žmogaus protų.
So he is unable to evaluate himself
Todėl žmogus nebegali vertinti savęs
or his morals or his logical limits
ar savo moralės, ar savo loginių ribų
and vision.
ir vizijų.
So in the end, I would like to say
Baigiant, aš norėčiau pasakyti,
that mind and logic and morality is a great gift.
kad protas, logika ir moralė yra didelė dovana.
It is hard work to reach, but it is worth all the price required from us to pay.
Tai sunkus darbas pasiekti tai, bet tai verta bet kokios kainos.
I would like to say another something, please, something new now, that we have also a wrong interpretation of Islam from some group of people.
Taip pat norėčiau pridurti, kad mes turime neteisingą vertinimą islamo religijos dėl kai kurių grupuočių.
And we have also a group of mistakers, sinners.
Taip pat turime grupę žmonių, kurie yra nusidėjėliai.
But they are not coming from the resource of Islam. They are interpreting the resource in the wrong way.
Tačiau jie neateina iš islamo ar pagal Korano standartus. Jie tiesiog neteisingai vertina islamo religiją.
I would like to thank my best dear Laura for all her great work. She's a great person. I would like to thank the bunny, Roberta, and she have done a great job, and she pay a lot for that thing to have it done today. Thank you, Roberta. And they are Lithuanian people. I'm proud about Lithuania.
Aš norėčiau padėkoti Laurai, man, taip pat Robertai, kuri padarė didžiulį darbą, ir Zikučiai Kristinai. Taip pat norėčiau padėkoti lietuviams, kurie yra labai malonūs žmonės.
You are a small country but have really a big heart people. I was shocked.
Jūs esat labai atviri ir didelė širdies žmonės. Tikrai buvau nustebintas.
In West they have very big bad wrong image about Lithuania.
Vakaruose žmonės tikrai turi nusistatę blogą nuomonę apie lietuvius ar estus.
So you can ask if you have any questions.
Jeigu turite klausimų, galite klausti.
Ask.
Maybe, I don't know, just I have some, I had one girl that she was well known in the Muslim.
But what does she mean, a girl?
A girl.
Oh, a girl, very famous in Arabic country?
She's a very famous Muslim, a girl. Yeah.
Well, maybe I will repeat. This girl was Lithuanian. And she, for a few years, was living between Muslims.
Please, can you speak better?
I will.
My pronunciation maybe is not
I will
correct.
sit in.
You speak Lithuanian also? You speak Lithuanian?
It's good.
Okay.
Let me speak English. So she was living among Lithuanians for a very long time.
Okay.
She was from Lithuania and she was a Muslim. She was very well known.
Where?
In Lithuania.
As what? A singer, dancer?
Ne visai,
Tiesiog lietuviškai paklauskite.
Jo, lietuviškai sakykime.
nežinau, kaip geriau, iš tikrųjų, aš nežinau, aišku, tiesiogiai jo klausiu, bet kad jisai kažkada su rusų sakė, man jam panašiau, kad aš rusų kalbu. Well, maybe I will take another argument or question because it is too... So, you spoke about pure Muslims, yes? Pure, greener.
Pure.
Pure.
Lietuviškai pasakyk švenčiausiai, bus ryškiausiai, mums vis tiek.
Ta prasme, kalbėjo apie grynus musulmonus. Mūsų tikruosius.
Jo. Ir Jeigu šnekėtume apie tikrą katalikizmą, tikrą krikščionybę,
And if to talk about real Christianity,
žodžiu, mes irgi rastume meilę, toleranciją ir visą kitą.
we would find their love, tolerance, and all the other things you mentioned about religion.
Ir taip pat niekas nepasakytų, kad reikėtų kažką žudyti kitą religiją, kitus žmonės ar iš vis kažką.
And nobody would say that we should kill other people, we shouldn't tolerate other religions or other beliefs.
Okay.
Bet jeigu mes dabar sugrįžtam į šios laikus, tai...
But we said, please, we want a question. No, please, let me speak. That's my interview. Please, we want a question and answer. You are giving me speech. We want questions. Please, explain this, Roberta.
Tiesiog, kad klausimas būtų aiškus.
Just a question and answer, please. You're not giving me answer.
Kad jis gali nesuprasti, ko klausia.
Aš suprantu, bet aš kontekstą truputį norėjau, kad daugiau būtų suformuluoti, bet truputį daug laiko ima. Well, nobody of Christianity are not going to fly into the skyscrapers of Muslims. Okay? Did you understand?
No.
Nei vienas krikščionis neplanuoja įskristi į musulmonų dangoraižius.
You know what is skyscraper?
No.
The very, very, very high building, which was built
On September 11, you know the date of September 11. Yes.
None of Christians would do such a thing, to fly into skyscraper, which was built by Muslims.
Okay, please, Roberta, tell him to ask the question because I need to answer because I have other people who will not will ask. Please, explain this clearly for him.
Tiesiog aiškiai paklauskite, nes kiti žmonės irgi norės paklausyti. Tai tiesiog, kad būtų aiškus klausimas.
You have a law, please. You have other people.
Ar jūs įsivaizduojate krikščionį įskrendantį į musulmonų dangoraižį?
Do you imagine a Christian flying like Muslims did into a skyscraper which was built by Muslims?
Okay, I will talk about Christianity now, the history of Christianity.
Dabar kalbėsiu apie krikščionybės istoriją.
We have more than 100 theory. Please, now you ask, you talk, now I'm answering.
Apie viduramžius, about Middle Age, we know by ourselves, but it is
We
not
said you
the
ask
same
question,
thing
I
that
answer.
I
Please,
want
you
to
talk, I
ask.
answer me, I hear you now, you hear me. We cannot talk like this way, we can.
Okay, I
You
see.
let me speak, please. You answer, let me answer you.
Okay, last sentence of me.
You cannot, you
and you're
have to.
welcome. I see
Why don't you
the...
explain the rules, maybe?
I told him.
Take again the rules. Maybe you need three
Aš
questions.
jau pasakiau, kad paskutinis mano sakinys, vis tai gali šnekėti.
The last sentence.
The last sentence of me and you are welcome.
Thank you, thank
So, I noticed that that is the first point that we cannot find common talk. Tai yra pirmasis bruožas, išveskim, kad tai aiškiau būtų. Pirmasis bruožas jau pasireiškimas, kad mes jau nebegalim susišnekėti, jis kitaip interpretuoja viską.
This is the first difference between religions.
Okay, thank you.
Like we wouldn't do such a
Thank you, thank you. So, can I answer, please?
Yeah.
Okay. Who remembers the Crusader Wars?
Jūs atsimenate kryžiaus žygius?
The Crusader Wars, they came under the name of the cross and God.
Kryžiaus žygiai vyko remiantis Dievo ir kryžiaus vardu.
Under the name of Jesus Christ, they killed hundreds of thousands of Jewish and Arabic Christians and Muslims in Jerusalem and all around. And it has been written in the books of the Christians that the blood was until here in the Jerusalem because they was cutting the pieces, the children's, and throwing them from up.
Slėpdamiesi po Jėzus Kristaus vardu, jie žudė daugybę žydų, daugybę musulmonų ir tai rašoma krikščioniškose knygose, kad Jeruzalėje kraujo buvo iki čia.
O kurį gerai?
Dar nepabaigė.
Still we have talk about the Christian history, we'll talk about long Christian history. So, they killed hundreds of thousands of humans under the name of Jesus Christ.
Jie žudė daugybę žmonių remdamiesi Jėzaus Kristaus vardu.
Nobody can say this had not happened. Nobody can say. We all know this fact. Everybody know it, and the Christians very well know it.
Niekas negali paneigti šio fakto, nes žinome, mes visi žino, kiekvienas krikščionis ir kitos religijos atstovas.
So, have ever you seen a Muslim going to another city and killing hundreds of thousands of Muslims, of Christians?
Ar jūs matėte kada nors vieną musulmoną einantį į kokį nors miestą ir žudantį šimtus krikščionių?
The church have been slaved its own citizens for hundreds of years in West Europe. Slaved. The church slaved its own people for hundreds of years in West Europe.
Krikščionių bažnyčia laikė žmonės kaip vergus vakarų Europos kultūroje.